Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out from Reddit in your mobile device. Now let's begin. Let's go to Reddit. Now that the Reddit app has successfully opened, let's go to the settings. Click on the avatar that you will find on the top right corner of your screen. Now there are lots of options here, that is my profile, etc, etc. For now we need to go to settings, and again we only focus on the general tab. You can also change languages, view options, dark mode. There are lots of features, but for now let us just go to our account settings. Simply click on the account settings tab. Now here comes the fun part. You can update your email address, change password, location, gender. You can connect different accounts. You can manage your contact settings, etc, etc. Let us not get distracted and simply click on switch accounts. As you can see on the new pop-up that has just opened up, there is my account, and next to it a tick icon and a simple button that is kind of similar to a logout button. Simply click on it. Now Reddit will want our confirmation if we really want to log out. If you do want to log out, you can select log out right now, else cancel. Let's log out. And we have successfully logged out. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you log out on Reddit. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more interesting contents like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.